First Coast's most accurate forecast from the First Coast News Weather Team, certified by WeatherRate. Sponsored by AC Designs.
Well, good afternoon, everybody. I'm Chief Meteorologist Lewis Turner, and looking out and over downtown right now, it is overcast. A little change up. It's the day of change happening even as we speak, with temperatures in the 60s. And what I mean by that is we haven't had rain in more than a month. I mean, it's been over 5 weeks now since we've had any actual measurable rainfall. And now we're going to get into a pattern, even over the next 10 days, where we're going to have a couple of opportunities to get some of that beneficial rainfall. So we'll watch through this afternoon, 2 to 3 o'clock, a few isolated showers now. But by tomorrow afternoon, could have some stronger storms even. So isolated thunderstorms possible for our Tuesday afternoon and evening. Widespread rain for Tuesday in particular, with a few strong storms. So the need is rain gear with you. Careful on those roads. It's been so long, month and a half, that oil will build up in these interstates and highways around the area, and the water will just kind of mix all that up, could create for a slick condition as we go through our commutes this evening, but in particular Tuesday evening as well. Current temperatures, we're in the mid and upper 60s out there. I mentioned the overcast, which you can see on satellite, and now we put the radar layer on as well out towards Tallahassee. This is an area that's been in the exceptional drought. So let me tell you, I-10 corridor towards Tallahassee really needs that rain. This all you see kind of in the motion here, all sliding up towards inland southeast Georgia. So Waycross likely to get in on some of that rain a little bit later. But I mentioned that drought condition. So the areas where it's raining right now is the area kind of in that bullseye of exceptional drought. The latest numbers just coming in. The extreme drought, though, reaches into where Pierce County, Charlton County, parts of Brantley County, Baker, and Columbia counties. So hopefully here over the next day, two, and then next couple of weeks, where we're entering what seems to be a more progressive pattern, meaning more opportunities for rain, we'll get caught up at least a little bit. Now, we're running about 10 inches below normal for the year, so I don't think we're going to catch up quite like that by the January 1st, but certainly could use this rain. So we're looking through the afternoon, even Tuesday morning commute time as we get towards Ware, Pierce County, could see some showers. Folkston, that line making its way through downtown Jacksonville by the afternoon. Tropical update, well, of course, hurricane season is over, so the Hurricane Center, no tropical formation expected. That's a big thumbs up. And as we kind of look at 2025 as a whole, we had 13 named storms. The 30-year average is 14. We had 5 hurricanes. 30-year average is 7. But of those 5 hurricanes, 4 were major. And we had a couple of Category 5s as well, including Melissa, which was one of the most powerful storms in Atlantic Basin history. So you kind of take that with the whole season, which as a whole kind of lines up with what has been the 30-year average when it comes to our season. Of course, the first time in 10 years we didn't have a landfalling hurricane in the United States of America. So we look back on 2025, we look ahead to the next 7 days, keeping in mind our best chance of showers really will be Tuesday, so we'll watch that for weather impact alert. And then again, we'll look ahead, as I mentioned, a couple of chances all the way into the weekend.
Thank you, Lou.